Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the keyboard from Keychron. It's called the B1 Pro and it is an ultra slim wireless keyboard. It supports all systems, Mac OS, Windows OS and even Linux. Each key is customizable online. It works as wired, Bluetooth and 2.4 via dongle, ultra fast wireless. This one has the UK layout. So B1P. Let's see what else we have in here in the back. You can pair up to 3 devices, obviously with the dongle. It has a compact layout and ultra slim body. Each key is customizable online. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Let's just open it up and see what we have in here. Just use probably 2 hands. Okay, so we have a quick start guide. And then the keyboard itself. So yeah, there you have it. That's the keyboard. Let's just take this protector off. It's quite nice. You could actually reuse this, maybe put it on top when you're not using. So that's how it looks like. It also comes with a USB C to C for charging. Really nice long cable. It comes with an adapter, USB C to A. And the dongle as well. So this dongle, you just plug it in into your laptop and it works just fine. And then if you don't have USB C on your laptop, you can do this. Really good quality cables as well. So yeah, pretty impressed. It's not too noisy. I see how flexible it is. It's actually quite tough. Like some people, they manage to flex it, but I think like considering how slim it is, it's really tough. I don't know if they reinforced it a bit and those were like previous versions. I'm really liking it. And I like this style of the buttons. Very comfortable. Okay, on the top you have like the USB-C port for charging or for keep it plugged in. You have, let me just turn it like this quickly. So you have your Mac or Windows, and then you have Bluetooth, cable, or 2.4 with the dongle. So yeah, if I turn it on Bluetooth, and then you should see some LEDs in here. So I could see that it's powered on, and then in order to change it, you have the Bluetooth options 1, 2, 3. So you go on 1 and you can see that's flickering, saying that it's ready to pair. I think you have to press FN and this if you wanna let's see. And then we can go back to the instructions and see how you have to do it. So as you can see, if you want to switch, I think between them is like FN and 1, FN 2, which is Bluetooth channel 2. I actually has 3 Bluetooth channels plus the dongle. Really nice. And I think that's it. Is there any options on the back? On the back it just simply shows you how to do things. So press FN +1 for 4 seconds and pair with the device name will be Keychron B1 Pro. Could be Keychron, but I'm just saying like that. So FN and 1 for 1, 2, 3, 4. seconds, and I think it's ready to pair. Look at it flashing. So it will come up on your laptop, and then when it's paired, you see at the moment it's flashing. So I'm gonna just go on my laptop, because I'm using a Windows laptop. I'm gonna be in the settings, Bluetooth, and then add device, Bluetooth, and then you should find it. Yeah, it also comes up on the screen, so you can connect it like that as well. I think it will ask you to press a few keys maybe. I don't know if it's that smart, but as you can see it stopped flashing. So if I press this Windows key, my task, my start menu comes up. Really good. So yeah guys, that's it. Let's just put it down a bit, show you how it looks like on the table. And if I start typing, that's how it sounds. So yeah, thanks for watching.